Hello, today you're looking at a Jessup 10-station automatic phosphate rack line by Lanco. If you come over here, we can see the control panel. We'll start so you can see all the functions. Over on this side, you can see the touchscreen control panel. We'll open it up here so you can get a good look at the inside. This does come with the Allen Bradley touchscreen controls. We do have the manuals all included and a pair of pendants as well. We'll come around here to the other side so you can take a look at the entire line. It's in excellent condition here. We have a 500-pound capacity Jessup hoist on top. Come down here to the end and we can see all of the plating tanks. So starting off on the end, we have a soak tank. The heating coil you can see down in there. Moving on to the next one, you can see a rack we have in here. 8 of them are included on this line. This is the first rinse station. Moving on, we go to the first heated rinse station with another heating coil down in there. This middle tank we have is the phosphorus station. This comes with a mixer as well. Down one more, we have another rinse here and another heated rinse. After this heated rinse, we go over to the dryer. You can see we have a 3 horsepower blower motor on here. If you come right over here, you can see there's already a rack down in there. On this side, we have 2 fume hoods stacked right in there. Come back around to this side. As I said before, this is a phosphate rack line. The size of these tanks are 43 inches by 30 inches by 2 foot deep. The entire size of this line is 139 inches long by 139 inches wide by 69 inches tall. Down here we have our load unload station with a few extra accessories on top of it. As I said before, this comes with 8 total racks. We will include some extra grates along with this as well. This has a total of 10 stations included with it. If you're interested in this line, you can give us a call, 616-887-8300, or visit us online at lanco-corp.com.